Tutorials. This is a tutorial for Microsoft's PowerPoint 2007, the version for the Windows machine. We're going to start off right here. This is kind of how you start into Microsoft PowerPoint. We've been working on a PowerPoint about the solar system. I'm going to show you some kind of toddler steps. The baby steps already came first, and these are some of the toddler steps. They're actually just a little bit more advanced than what we were already doing. But I'm going to click on the Insert ribbon, and it'll pull up this ribbon. I really like the Insert ribbon on 2007. It kind of shows you just pretty much everything that you want to be able to put in to your PowerPoint. We're only going to focus on 3: pictures, movies, and sounds. So I'm going to click on Picture. It'll automatically take me to my documents and out into Find Stuff, and I actually want to go to my desktop because I've created a folder here for my model project on planets, and I have a folder for pictures, and I have a whole bunch of images here of the different planets that I might want to put into my PowerPoint. I'm just going to choose one of them. I'm going to choose this Mars image and insert it. That's pretty much all there is to inserting an image, except that now it's kind of a little bit big and I want to maybe make some adjustments to it. So I click on the image to select it, and I get these different handles. If you click on the corner, you can resize it and set it down to the size you want, and then move it to where you want. If you want some more help on resizing images, there's some tutorials on our UEN video channel about resizing images, but that's all it takes to insert a picture. Let's go to the next thing we can insert. I'm going to click down here on the Kuiper belt, because I have an image, or a movie actually, that I want to insert. Now notice when I mouse over it, it says Movie from File. If I choose this little drop down arrow, I have Movie from File or Movie from the Clip Organizer. And those ones from the Clip Organizer are usually actually not really what you consider movies. They're animated clips is what they are. They're animated, like clip art is what I kind of, that's what they seem to be to me. So we're going to use this Movie from File. Again, it took me to my documents. I'm going to just click on the desktop to go out to that project folder. And I have a videos folder. And I have 2 that show up that are both MPGs. Down here you will notice that it lists all the styles and types of video that are compatible with Windows PowerPoint, with Microsoft Windows PowerPoint. It will not allow you to import things that don't work. I'm going to just choose this. Let's see if I can, I'm going to view this as thumbnails. Okay, I want this one here. Looks like there's nothing on that one, but that's the one I really want. I'm going to click OK. It's going to ask me, do I want this to start automatically or when it's clicked? Well, if I say automatically, as soon as that slide starts, the video will start playing as well. There's a lot of times that's useful. I want it so that when I click on the video, it will actually start up and play. Now I can just resize this and move it over here, so that now when I'm playing my slideshow and I click on this big black window, it'll actually start the video playing. The third part I can insert. I'm going to put in one more new slide. Go back to the Home tab and just throw in a new slide. Insert. Thanks for participating. Okay. And I'm going to go up here to choose sounds, and again I'm going to choose a sound from a file. It has the same kind of options of different places I can go. I'm going to choose the desktop, my little project planets, choose sounds, and I need to choose the sound that I want, which is this wave right here. Again, you will see all the different file types that are, or many of the different file types that are compatible with Windows or Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm going to choose this better wave and click OK. I'm going to get the same message. Do I want it to play automatically or when clicked? This time I want it to play automatically, so as soon as the slideshow starts, that sound will play. One of the things I commonly do with these sounds is I put them up here in a corner. That way I know I have visually a signal that there's supposed to be a sound working, and sometimes that's really helpful because if it doesn't work, I know that they're supposed to be working. I have some of my colleagues that like to put it just off of the slide so that they don't see it at all. That's just kind of up to your choice, but I like it right on the slide. And that's all there is to putting in pictures, sounds, and videos. Thank you for joining our UEN video tutorials today.